Okay, just to let everybody know, I cannot believe this. I am a total amateur. I have never done anything like this in my life. This is an m1b maygay freak machine board, which I was told, sorry about the lighting, I was told by a company would never work, can't be fixed, might as well throw it in the bin. This is the work I have done to the board over the last on and off year and a half to 2 years. In the last week I've been working like mad on it, and I cannot believe, after fixing tracks and replacing chips with no test equipment and with the help from the mecha members, thanks guys, and with a bit of patience and with a bit of luck as well, of course, this machine, or this board rather, in this machine of mine is now working, and I just can't believe that I, a total amateur, have actually fixed this. Never in a million years would I believe this. Right guys, watch. So we're going to fit the board in. A bit awkward this. Plug the machine in. Click it on. Can't believe it. Cannot in a million years believe it. There's all the tracks are fixed. Show you the front. One working maygay machine. Thank you.